Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, running boards, XM satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.